I make meat pie every week because this is our favorite snack.
Let's make this delicious, yummy snacks, which is called meat pie. Yes, your regular snacks. Okay, first of all, you need your flour, salt to taste, sugar, nutmeg, and your baking flour. Okay, so you need your egg. I will be using 2 eggs. If you want it to be so yummy yummy, you need 2 eggs. That is what I added. Okay, so you can just list it out. And my butter, this one is not a cold butter. It's, I actually melted it because I do not want to struggle. Okay, so I just melted it for it to be simple. If you don't want to use water, use milk. Yes, if you want to make, like, I didn't say using water will not make it delicious or really really nice. Water also is good, but I do not like to use water. Do you understand? I like to use milk. Then after, I'll just blend everything, put it on the table, blend everything together. So I'll just leave it. I'll actually leave it for like 1 hour, close to 2 hours. Okay, so I just leave it for it to. Then after, go on, start frying my sauce, the sauce that will be putting inside the meat pie. You need your matchet milk, salt, onions. You can put anything you like. I put this ginger powder, curry, a little bit of curry. Then after, when the meat have done, I put my milk. Yes, if you like, do not put milk, you can put water. So the one I will use in putting water, do you understand? I will just better put milk. Some people also put flour. Yes, flour, but sometimes I do that, but in today's I don't want to do too much. Okay, so this how floppy it look. Oh my god, so floppy. So then after, I'll just cut it into two so that I know what I'm doing. So altogether it's 8. Okay, so I just be cutting it for it to be easy for you to or start rolling on it. So this is me just rolling. So this is the cold um sauce. You need to allow it to be cold, because if it's hot, when you're putting it inside this place, it will look as if it's melting the flour. I don't know if you have experienced it, but if you have experienced it, let me know in the comment section. Have you tried this method before? Let me know, guys. I actually bought what you normally use to cut your flour, but it's not working. I wish I put that clip. It was not coming out the way I really want it. Okay, so many people will say, why did you use cutter? Why did you use cutter? But I think cutter is not for me. So this is how beautiful my meat pie looks. If you want meat pie for your birthday, for your any type of ceremony, chat me up. Okay, see, this meat pie is a must eat. Let me know where you are staying. I can send some to your doorstep. Okay, please guys, do not forget to share this video. So this is me just using egg to clean the surface. Okay, this is what it looks like. So yummy, right? So yummy. You can tell from the screen, like this video is not doing justice to what you are saying. It's so soft. See inside. Oh my god, oh my god. Let me know what you will be eating this with, like which drink you'll be taking, like any soft drink. Do not forget to share this video, and see you guys on my next one. Bye.